Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. This cozy 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow-style house is the dream come true for returning citizens or retirees. Located in a quiet residential area in the West End of Negril, this property breathes peace and tranquility with a thatch roof hangout spot, in the midst of nature, and a beautifully landscaped and fully fruited garden with numerous walkways. In addition to the main house with security system and solar water heater, there is also a separate workshop and lots of space for further cottages. Sitting on the comfortable veranda, you are looking at a loaded ackee tree in the beautiful garden setting, including a royal palm tree. The main entrance leads to a spacious foyer with living, dining area and to the right an open concept kitchen. Along the hallway are 2 bedrooms with shared bathroom on the left, and the master bedroom and bathroom to the right. This room can be directly accessed from the outside. This beautiful home will not be on the market for long. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $259,000, or Jamaican $39.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.